Malia, why are you wearing that mask?
Hey! That didn't answer your question.
Not at all.
It's Halloween soon,
Yeah, it is.
or it just was. It depends on what time we get done editing this.
And what time you're watching it. Ooh, Halloween episode scary. Yeah, I'm Batman. With an afro.
And I'm a peacock. Yeah.
Look at all those feathers and whatnot. That's a really nice mask.
Peacock. Okay. Today for Halloween we're gonna make maple glazed chicken lollipops. And then like to go with it / dessert we're making deconstructed pumpkin cannolis.
Ooh.
They're gonna be delicious and you're gonna love them. And we're gonna get started soon, and I can't think of anything else to say.
Nope. So let's just get started, shall we? Yeah, we shall.
It's hilarious.
Whoa, this is not filmed in 3D.
Okay, so first to make the lollipops, we're gonna cut up the chicken into pieces, and like half-inch pieces. So like that would be a good piece. That is a good piece. This is going to be 2 pieces once I cut it right here. Like that. This is the finished product. We chopped it into half-inch thick pieces pretty much. This is maple bacon. Basically we're going to kind of do like foldy things like that much and then cut so like half the bacon. And then we're going to fold this one over. And we're going to get like a little line of these going.
No, Batman. Batman. No, he's black. He's black.
That's Twizzlers! Just kidding, it's a baster.
That's the weirdest baster in history. It literally looks like Twizzlers pull and peel.
I think it looks like cartoon people hair.
Cartoon people hair.
And we're gonna dip the chicken in this honey sauce to make it stick, because we're gonna bread it. So what it is, we're just gonna stick a lot of honey in here.
Oh, ski.
We're gonna mix this honey with some water.
Squeeze.
Sticky water.
Squeeze.
Sticky, really sweet water.
Squeeze.
If you have to drink water with honey in it, this much honey in it, then you have problems.
You might catch the diabetes.
Our skewers have been soaking in water, because that's what you gotta do when you put them in the oven so they don't catch on fire.
Fire.
Fire is bad. Chicken. Bacon. Chicken. Bacon. Chicken. Chicken. And repeat. Sada bang, bang, bangy bang. Sada bang, bang, bangy bang. Sada bang, bang, bangy bang.
Oh, filming. Hello. Yes. Basically, we have crumbs from crackers and panko breadcrumbs. Oh, snap, son. These were hand smashed by my good cohort, Malia, and the assistant camera woman, Christina. Christina, say hi. Aw, look at that. She's wearing bat ears.
Use your hips. Put your hips into the mixing. Yes. This is what people want to see. Everyone wants to see you shake your ass.
Go ahead.
Please oblige.
The booty. There we go.
We can't see it. So. Oh yeah.
That's right. It just got real.
This is our honey mixture. Brush the chicken like you're painting. What? Being you.
Yeah.
Take you down.
You're tall like a tree. You just hit you at the bottom. Fall.
The next step is to roll it. Roll. Whee! with the breadcrumbs, but we forgot. So a little bit of cinnamon and a lot of pumpkin spice. Just like take this mixture and just sprinkle it on the top. And when we flip them, we'll sprinkle the other side. This is going into a preheated oven of 350 degrees for 1 hour, and they're going to get crispy. They're sizzling, so we're going to flip them over.
Ooh, lovely.
Yeah! Okay, we're going to make the sauce. Our sauce is going to be really good. Our ingredients are very particularly chosen, like this Jim Beam pancake syrup. We like alcohol and bacon, and all that stuff. So this provides whiskey, which is me and Brian's like favorite drink besides beer.
Whiskey.
We like whiskey and beer.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, so this is the whiskey, and then we're also gonna put this pumpkin beer. So together, whiskey and beer, a little bit of each in the sauce. Heat up about a little more than that. Apple cider vinegar, it's about 1/4 of a cup. Now it's starting to steam a little bit. This is gonna get the sourness in the sauce that we need, because we need it to be a little sour. Sour Patch Kids are good. They don't have parents.
Oh, those poor children.
So now we're gonna add about that much pancake syrup. Some beer. A little bit vanilla, nutmeg.
Jim Beam syrup
Save the
for
rest.
your breakfast
The rest
drunk.
of this is gonna be for our breakfast drunk. So it's gonna be really frothy because of the beer. As it's reducing too, you wanna add a little bit of brown sugar. And that's gonna make it deflate as well. Yay, deflation. We're gonna let it just simmer away. It's a really, really, really low temperature. This is about halfway through for the chicken, so that's when we started the sauce. So it should be done around the time the chicken is. So we're gonna thicken the sauce by putting cornstarch and water into it, because it needs to be like a glazed. It's on like medium right now. It needs to be hot when you mix it in. Okay, so this should get really thick now. As it comes to a little simmer, we're gonna like turn off the heat once it gets to simmer, and then it's gonna get really, really thick. Thick. It took 50 minutes. That's the finished product.
Oh my goodness.
And they're sizzling. It tastes really good. They're really tender. And they're kind of sweet.
Oh my. You're so frightening in your peacock mask.
This is fat.
Oh.
This is human fat.
Oh.
Yummy. Human fat. Okay, so this is ricotta cheese. This whole jar of, not the knife though.
Oh, yeah. No, knife and all. We're gonna eat that too.
This was a 32-ounce thing of ricotta cheese, and this is a 30 ounce of pumpkin.
Yeah.
We're not going to use the whole pumpkin, I don't think, but maybe. We're going to start off with that. It's all to taste how pumpkin-y you want your cannoli, and you just mix it up. Some honey. And then chocolate chips. Okay, and then this is going to go in our little cannoli cup. We're using butter waffle cookies. And then the cannoli mixture goes next. And then we have to be finished with cinnamon. Pretty much like a deconstructed cannoli. Okay, so the sauce was in here. It kind of thickened a little bit. We put the cornstarch in it. It's like a syrup again. And we put it over the tops of the skewers are in the side of the syrup, and then we have the cannoli tea with it, because the cannoli is not that sweet. But yeah, it tastes really good. I promise. I promise.
I believe you because you are a believable type face.
Yeah. So anyway, this was awesome for dinner for Halloween, and I'm Peacock.
And I'm Batman. I'm not talking like a laryngitis. Should see a doctor. About my throat.
I don't know what just happened. Bye! Say bye. Bye. What sound does a peacock make?
I don't know. What sound does a peacock make?
I don't know. I'm asking.